So welcome everyone for this particular video, and I'm going to take you through search engines that you can be able to access in the dark web. And these search engines, you can have access to many sites. Uh, There we can be able to see we have black market for credit cards. We have black market for money transfers and all that. But in this case, I'm going to specialize on search engines you can be able to access once you open your Tor browser. One of it being Torch search engine. We have Haystack, we have Deep Search, we have Amia, we have Tordex, we have VomWeb, we have Onionland Search, we also have Toran, and we have Venus. So these are the search engines that you can be able to have access to. And for instance, I've opened Torch search engine, like you've seen, of which you can be able to access all the sites that you need and accessing whatever you need. So use it wisely, and see you soon for the next video. And especially for those who have subscribed to the subscription itself, they'll be getting exclusive content with high details, posts, and more information. For those who want to book sessions, they can do so as they may like. So kindly do follow, subscribe, and share. Thank you.